How you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about why I think Nvidia is about to explode. I think Nvidia is at the top of the list, first to come to market, way ahead of the game, in demand, products in demand. Did they get lucky? Who knows? But anyways, I just wanted to go over this latest piece of news, why I think Nvidia is going to explode. And based on this article from OpenAI CEO, so check it out. Computing capacity is slowing product rollouts. And I'm going to get into one of the main pieces of topics here, or what they discussed. Sam Altman wrote, and he was in a Reddit, and he hadn't asked me anything. And if you look at this article, it's all about the computing capacity. And look, when asked why OpenAI's next AI models were taking so long, here's what he quoted. He said, "We also face a lot of limitations and hard decisions about how we allocate our compute towards many great ideas." And he said that, the computations are quite complex. And when he was asked in TechCrunch, if you look over here, it says, TechCrunch would said a number of recent media accounts indicate that OpenAI is struggling to find the computer infrastructure it needs to run and train its models. So I went over to ChatGPT, and let me show you this. How much computer infrastructure do you need for OpenAI ChatGPT? Let's populate this. Okay, so the first thing it says, the key infrastructure requirements, which is high performance GPUs. Who is the number one GPU manufacturer going today? Who is the largest producer, most popular GPU manufacturer as of today? That's Nvidia. And if you look at this, high performance GPUs, large language models, LLMs like ChatGPT require powerful GPUs to handle training and inference. The models are too large and compute intense for regular CPUs, as GPUs allow parallel processing that accelerates neural network operations. OpenAI, for instance, uses GPUs from vendors like Nvidia, and Nvidia. Alongside of that, okay, it's just not the GPUs, because if you think about what needs to run, if you have GPUs, you have hardwares, you have servers, you have networks, you have infrastructure, you need data, you need latency, you need the proper latency, meaning latency is the speed of time of when you send a request to ChatGPT. That has to go through a network, and eventually it gets to a network operations center, which is a storage center, which might handle all of those servers and the GPUs that have the Nvidia GPUs inside of those servers or machines to do all the computations. So if you look at this data storage, like how much data storage do you need? So imagine the cost. It's not just the software. Yes, software is great. OpenAI is great, and all these models, generated models, etc. But you need the infrastructure to continue to run these AI-driven models. Look, you talk about data storage, network bandwidth, cluster management, and distributed systems, cooling and power. So cooling and power is huge. So for me, when it comes to investments, not financial advice, I'm looking at infrastructure. I look for storage infrastructure companies, as well as other GPU processors, because right now Nvidia's got the market. Who are the competitors? Who are the competitors that could slowly come up to the races? Maybe there's going to be a better, cost-efficient GPU that's going to headline and compete with Nvidia. Hard, yes, but competition is great. So anyways, that's the latest news for Nvidia and OpenAI. If you want to get more news, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.